In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sender name appear in Outlook. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to view your emails by who sent them, so you can spot messages from specific people at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. On the Google homepage, type Outlook into the search bar. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Outlook website and click it to open the Outlook web app. This ensures you're in the right place with the most up-to-date interface and features. Once Outlook loads, make sure you're in your mail view and select your inbox in the left-hand sidebar. This brings you to the main message list where we'll adjust how your emails are arranged. If you have multiple folders, confirm you're in the one you use most often so the change is immediately visible. At the top of the message list, locate the sort control. Depending on your screen size and layout, this may look like a funnel, an arrow with lines, or a small drop-down that controls how messages are ordered. It sits near the top of the list, close to filters and view options. Click this control to open the sorting choices. From the sorting menu, choose From. Selecting From tells Outlook to arrange your emails by the sender field rather than by date. As soon as you make this choice, you'll notice the list reorganize so that the sender's name is front and center for each group or row. This makes it far easier to scan for people, quickly surface conversations from a specific contact, and tidy up your inbox by who sent what instead of when it arrived. If the sort menu doesn't appear right away, make sure you're viewing your inbox and not a search results page, and confirm the message list is visible. Interface details can vary slightly with screen size, so if you don't see the icon, look for any sort or filter label near the top of the message list. The option you need will be in that same area. You can always change the arrangement later from the same menu if you prefer a different view. That's all it takes. Go to Google, search for Outlook, open the Outlook website, head to your inbox, click the sort control, and select From. With this quick adjustment, the sender name becomes the focal point of your inbox, helping you find what matters faster. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, people-first view of your email.